In a recent statewide survey conducted by the Texas Association of Museums Education Committee, better known as TAMEC Affinity Group, only 31% of respondents said that their institutions were already offering school programming virtually before COVID 19. And 85% of respondents said their institutions have retooled or are working to retool their existing school programs to be offered virtually in response to this current situation. These data points underscore how quickly the museum community is moving to connect with schools at a distance. Over the coming months, TAM and our partner at the Mid-America Arts Alliance will develop a series of practical hands-on workshops to help our members and greater museum community learn about existing quality virtual school programming, the technologies and platforms these museums use, and marketing techniques to increase the visibility of these new approaches and more. Welcome to our Back to School August 2020 edition of TAM's Museline. Our association is here to help you navigate the digital shift that is impacting nearly all organizations. Be sure to subscribe to this e-newsletter to learn more about these virtual school programming ideas as they progress. In programming news, it's not too late to join our workshop series, Going Local, Creating History Exhibits Your Visitors Won't Forget. Presented by the Smithsonian's Museum on Main Street program, the Texas Department of Transportation, and the Texas Historical Commission, this 5-part online workshop series will teach you the fundamental skills and concepts you need to understand how to incorporate local Texas history into your exhibits, especially those that travel. The workshop kicked off on July 23rd and closes out tomorrow, August 20th, with Made You Look, how to select visuals that will keep visitors engaged with your exhibits. For full descriptions of each workshop, visit our website. On Friday from 1:30 to 2:30, please join us for Humanity Bingo, presented by TAM's Diversity Committee Affinity Group. In an effort to expand their membership, DivCom has created a Zoom networking experience that will provide an opportunity to learn more about who they are and their efforts to strengthen institutions working towards strengthening diversity, equity, access, and inclusion through a game of Humanity Bingo. Register for this free event on TAM's website. I know I'll be there. Now on to TAM 2021. Roots and Reckoning, Museums Respond and Redefine. Our premier 3-day conference will be held April 10th through the 13th, 2021 in San Antonio at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, Hilton Palacio del Rio, and various venues across the Alamo City. While our program committee co-chairs, Coleman Hampton from the Bell County Museum, Michelle Everidge from the Whitty Museum, and Bella Merriam from the San Antonio Museum of Art are hard at work guiding the selection of sessions, we wanted to give you a taste of San Antonio culture. This month's newsletter features a recipe for the Frosty Fiesta 75 adult beverage to help you beat the summer heat. This month, we also continue to thank our TAM 2020 virtual sponsors. Thank you, Gulf Coast Archive and Museum of GLBT History, College of Architecture, Texas A&M, Texas A&M University Art Galleries, and Delta Design for your continued support of TAM. Finally, members are the key to our community. Please help me welcome TAM's newest members, Callie Anderson from Fort Worth and Karen Carr from San Antonio. I also wanted to give a couple shout outs. Congratulations to TAM member Ron Siebler for his recent Artisan Award presented by the Texas Association of Architects. And finally, I wanted to thank TAM President Chris Dyer for his recent generous donation. TAM's mission is to strengthen the Texas museum community through collaborations, connections, professional development, and advocacy. To learn more about TAM membership and become more involved, go to texasmuseums.org or reach out to me directly at alex@texasmuseums.org. Be safe out there. Goodbye.